This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Audi A4 step by step. Begin by checking your key fob battery and signals, then stand at the driver's door and press the unlock button once. Observe the mirrors and lights for confirmation. Use the physical key if the fob fails. Try the trunk release or valet key as alternate. And if all fails, contact roadside assistance or your dealer for secure professional help. Use a fresh key fob battery first and test range near the vehicle. Hold the fob close to the driver's door handle if signal is weak. Try a spare key to isolate the problem, inspect the door handle sensor for dirt or damage, and consult the owner's manual for reset steps before attempting more invasive entry methods or calling a locksmith or dealer. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips and support the channel. I also suggest this air freshener I keep in my car, Automobile Little Trees Black Ice. It masks odors and keeps the cabin smelling clean, a small change that makes working on your Audi more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Try manual key entry by removing the key fob cap and using the metal key in the door cylinder, or access through the trunk with fold-down seats if available. Avoid using improvised tools that can damage seals and electronics. Consider a professional Slim Jim or lockout tool from a licensed locksmith. And always verify ownership before letting anyone access your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.